In this video, we'll talk about how to add multiple stops on Waze. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, one thing I'd like you to know is that Waze only allows you to add one stop to an active route at a time. You cannot add multiple stops simultaneously, like in Google Maps. Now, the way to add stops in Waze is you're going to either search the location that you want to go to, or you're going to pinpoint the location that you want to go to. And once you do that, it's going to show you routes, and you click on routes. Now, once you're on the route, you're going to click on go now if you prefer this route. And if you prefer another route, you're just going to click on it and you're going to choose the option to go
In
now or leave
200
later.
meters,
But once
turn
you're on the
left.
go now, so you're just going to pinpoint another place and you're going to show routes again. And then now you're going to click add a stop. So now Waze is going to redirect the map and it's going to make sure that there's a stop here. Now, if you try to add another stop to the application and you click on routes, you see Waze will tell you it only has one stop limit and you can only add one stop to a route. You need to start a new drive to drive to another location. Now that's how to add stops on Waze. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.